The 5 private banks only millionaires can use, where wealth meets exclusivity. 1. Introduction: The velvet rope of banking. Private banking isn't your neighborhood checking account. It's the financial equivalent of a velvet rope, invitation only, impeccably tailored, and designed for those with at least 7 figures in play. The services go beyond deposits and withdrawals. They manage dynasties, fund legacies, and occasionally, book you a private jet to Monaco. So what does that actually mean? It means these banks don't sell you accounts, they sell you access to influence, discretion, and sometimes, bragging rights. Below are the top 5 institutions that only the world's millionaires, and above, can call their bank. Footnote: This section introduces the concept of private banking as a luxury service model reserved for the ultra-wealthy. 2. HSBC Private Bank, the Global Concierge. HSBC Private Bank ranks among the largest, managing over $7 trillion in assets. It serves high net worth clients with at least $1 million, though the preferred entry ticket often sits between $5 and $10 million. HSBC's charm lies in its blend of wealth management and lifestyle curation. Yes, they manage investments and estate plans, but they'll also arrange a fine dining reservation in Paris or a last-minute flight to Dubai through their concierge network. Clients benefit from what the bank calls relationship management, which translates to having a team that understands both your portfolio and your taste in wine. So what does that actually mean? Privacy, security, and perks, wrapped in one global brand. Think of it as finance with room service. Footnote: This section explains HSBC's blend of wealth management and luxury service for global millionaires. 3. JP Morgan Private Bank, the fortress of finance. If trust had a logo, it might be JP Morgan's. Established in 1996, the private bank manages over $2 trillion. Entry requires roughly $2 million in investable assets, though most clients bring far more. JP Morgan offers investment management, tailored credit, and a holistic approach to wealth planning. The real appeal, however, is security. Backed by one of the most powerful financial institutions in the world, it gives clients the comfort of knowing their assets could probably survive the apocalypse. So what does that actually mean? It means clients buy peace of mind, plus an app that's smoother than most tech startups. Footnote: This section highlights JP Morgan's stability, innovation, and reputation as a global powerhouse in private banking. 4. UBS, the Swiss standard. UBS is what happens when centuries of Swiss discretion meet modern wealth management. Founded in 1862, the bank remains synonymous with privacy, precision, and polished service. To join UBS's private ranks, you'll need at least $3 million. Clients gain access to everything from estate planning and investment strategy to travel privileges and exclusive dining events. The security? Practically vault level. UBS is obsessive about data protection. One could argue they guard client information more tightly than chocolate recipes in Zurich. So what does that actually mean? Banking with UBS is less about storing cash and more about joining an international trust network built on quiet efficiency. Footnote: This section explores UBS's heritage of discretion and its tailored approach to global wealth management. 5. Credit Suisse, the aristocrat's banker. Credit Suisse has served the global elite for more than 160 years. With a minimum entry of around $5 million, clients get everything from wealth planning to private investment opportunities, plus a few luxury extras. Privacy is the cornerstone. The bank's cybersecurity and confidentiality systems are legendary. And while Credit Suisse's recent corporate turbulence made headlines, its private banking division remains a fortress for those who prize personalized strategy and global reach. So what does that actually mean? It means your money gets the royal treatment, with digital armor and Swiss formality. Footnote: This section details Credit Suisse's commitment to legacy, confidentiality, and high-touch financial service. 6. Deutsche Bank Private Wealth Management, the Billionaire's briefcase. Deutsche Bank's private wealth arm takes exclusivity to a higher orbit. Clients typically need at least $10 million to enter. The focus is on personalized strategy, global reach, and sustainable investment. The bank emphasizes privacy and cyber protection, but what really sets it apart is its sustainability program. Deutsche integrates ESG principles, that's ethical investing in banker speak, so clients can feel good while growing wealth. And yes, it's still Europe, expect an espresso while signing your bond allocations. So what does that actually mean? It's banking for those who can move markets, not just participate in them. Footnote. This section highlights Deutsche Bank's focus on ultra-exclusive clients and sustainable global investment practices. 7. Conclusion: banking behind the velvet curtain. These aren't just banks, they're ecosystems for the elite. Each offers the same fundamentals: wealth planning, asset management, confidentiality, but with distinct flavors. HSBC blends global service and perks. JP Morgan offers legacy and security. UBS serves Swiss precision. Credit Suisse adds tradition. Deutsche Bank leans into sustainability and influence. So what does that actually mean? If your balance has 7 zeros, you don't just get a bank, you get a backstage pass to the financial world's most exclusive club. Footnote. This section concludes by comparing the unique appeal and positioning of each top-tier private bank.